In this video, we're going to show you how to change a cabin air filter in 2015 Subaru Forester. This is the same process for a Crosstrek and an Impreza, basically from 08 to about current. So to change out our cabin air filter, we're going to have to access the glove box. So we're going to pull the glove box down. You don't have to remove all the stuff out of here. What we can do is come over to the side of the glove box by the passenger door, and there's this little tab right here. We can just slide this off. This is what helps retract the glove box door. Slide that off out of the way. Then what we're going to do is we're going to reach inside the glove box. We're going to push in on the sides, and these two little tabs will come out. We can pull the glove box. When it gets down vertical like this, we can just pull straight ahead, and the whole glove box door will come off. And it's this flat part of these hinges here is where you want to put the glove box in and out from. After that, in this part here is where our cabin air filter is. It says push and push on the two sides here. We're going to push these two tabs in, pull the cabin air filter out towards you, and we'll see our cabin air filter, which this one's all full of leaves and junk. This one's dirty compared to our new clean one. Putting this together is just a reverse operation. Now on here it'll say up on the cabin air filter, so you want to make sure that the side is facing up. If there's any leaves still inside here, grab those, make sure they don't get in there. And we're going to take and just push this in. It'll snap into place. Now all we got to do is put the glove box back in. This is all we had to do to get the new cabin air filter in. On the glove box, the hinges, we want to make sure that these openings go straight onto the flats down there. So if we have the glove box level with the ground, we can put those both in place. We're going to push this up and we'll do 2 clicks. Where it clicks in, the back part's up here. Then on the side over here, we just clip this spring back into the side here. And now we're done. Hopefully this helped you do the job yourself. If it did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, smash the thumbs down twice so I know you hit that. And I'll see you next time. Thanks.